one thing that's beyond doubt is that Elon Musk is now part of the Trump parivar. He may not be part of Trump's family, but he's definitely part of the parivar, because since election night, several pictures and videos of Musk and his son, little X, celebrating Donald Trump's victory have gone viral. Trump's granddaughter, Kai, has posted about Uncle Elon as well. It's all over the internet. Take a look.
The Trump victory party is over at Mar-a-Lago. But not all guests are gone. Neither can anyone ask this guest to leave. He is Elon Reeve Musk. The billionaire who pumped and pushed the Trump campaign has become a de facto Trump clan member.
Hi, everyone.
The world's richest person since the election, dining with him on the patio and joining him on the golf course. Donald Trump's granddaughter, Kai Trump's vlog, captured the moment Elon Musk and his toddler X were called in to be part of the Trump family photo. He's there when the world leaders call to congratulate the president-elect of the United States of America, listening into every conversation and sometimes also putting in his valuable opinions, guiding Donald Trump in his second term.
Like, this is a real battle. This is a real election battle.
Elon Musk donated at least $200 million to Trump and other Republicans and regularly appeared at rallies during the campaign. Now he's overseeing every move of the new administration in its transition stage, setting the tone for a more profitable and efficient government. And that's his latest business venture, because he heads the Department of Government Efficiency. The self-proclaimed dark Gothic MAGA, or Make America Great Again, seems to have taken a permanent residence at US President-elect Donald Trump's Florida estate, the epicenter of power in America right now. Bureau Report, India Today.